Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make raw mango pickle. First, select firm, unripe mangoes, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Wash them thoroughly under running water, then dry each piece completely with a clean cloth. Next, carefully cut the mangoes into uniform 1-inch pieces, discarding the seeds and any soft or damaged parts. This careful preparation is key for a delicious, long-lasting pickle. Now, place your prepared mango pieces into a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt, mixing thoroughly to coat every piece. Let this mixture sit for 4 to 6 hours. This crucial salting process draws out excess moisture from the mangoes, which is vital for preventing spoilage and achieving the perfect texture. After the resting period, drain all the released liquid completely. Next, let's prepare our aromatic spice blend. Gather your preferred pickling spices, such as mustard seeds, fenugreek, and fennel. Lightly roast these whole spices in a dry pan for a few minutes until fragrant, then grind them into a coarse powder. In a separate pan, heat 1/2 cup of mustard oil until it just begins to smoke, then let it cool down to a warm temperature. This prepares our flavorful base. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large, clean bowl, combine the drained mango pieces with your freshly ground spice blend. Pour in the cooled mustard oil, mixing thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are evenly coated. Transfer your raw mango pickle into a clean, sterilized glass jar, pressing down gently. Store it in a cool, dark place for 5 to 7 days to allow the flavors to meld beautifully before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.